Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can deposit USDT on your Tonkeeper wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up the mobile application for Tonkeeper wallet. You want to go ahead and select the buy and sell option. Now, once inside, the first thing that you want to modify is at the top left corner of your screen. As you can go ahead and see right here, we have the US icon. If you click on it, it will then take you to choose your appropriate country. So for example, if you're living somewhere like Afghanistan, you can just go ahead and select that option. But in my case, I'll be selecting United States. Now right after, you can then go ahead and select to one of the service providers that they have right here. For example, they have Mercurio, they have MoonPay, Transact, Neo Crypto, and more. You can just go ahead and select your chosen service provider. In my case, I'll be choosing MoonPay. Now, it will go ahead and take us to the official website of MoonPay services right here. And you have to go ahead and input your currency. For example, if I want to go ahead and spend $300, I'll just go ahead and put $300 right here. And right after putting the money that you want to spend, the details will be enabled at the bottom right here. You will be able to get 65.309 for $500, and we have the network fee of $0.73 and a processing fee of $7.38. If you want to go ahead and change your currency, you can just go ahead and select the country icon, and from here you can then select the country in which you live in. Right after, you want to click on continue, and you can just go ahead and check out and choose the appropriate payment method. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.